How to share Unity project with someone. You can now share your projects with colleagues and take advantage of Unity version control. This powerful engine agnostic tool helps game development teams collaborate, track changes, roll back to earlier versions, and more. So to start collaborating on your Unity project, first sign up for DevOps following the steps. Connect your project to your DevOps organization. You can do this from the Unity Hub by clicking on the three dots and selecting Use Unity Version Control. Assign a seat to your friend in your project repository by following the steps, and you can then start working together using the DevOps Getting Started guide. You can add up to 3 team members to your repository and upload up to 5 gig for free. If you exceed these limits, the system will prompt you to add a credit card. And that is how you can basically share Unity project with someone.